Hello guys, welcome back to this wonderful channel where we bring you back-to-back update and information. If not the first time we say they join us for this channel, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share. We don't come again, make I bring you the Obonge news as the hot. They say they don't catch one man, arrest one man where they say as Yoruba people come, they say make all the Igbo people come out. They want pursue the Igbo people come out for their state. Say make all of them come out, say make nobody dey. As one rep like that, say in go pass law, they go pass law for their bill, they go pass bill and put it into law where we say it go make all the Igbo people, they don't go fit acquire property for that Lagos state. Now police go arrest one man, they say police don't go arrest one man where we say he say he go kill all the Igbo people. And so the thing that happened. Another one, they say Governor wetin they call him, that man wey be say there for Anambra State, they say his name na Soludo. They say the man don't go Malaysia. They say don't go Malaysia, go there import 2 million Malaysian palm oil seeding and coconut. He say he want target 160 billion yearly profit from that one. Well, the man in done na the first time when they do office be this, and in they believe saying go there for that 8 years. But I dey wonder well, coconut wey be saying go import, you know bad though, and the palm nut, you know be say palm nut don't finish for this our Nigeria. Wey be say na the Malaysian one. I be the Malaysian palm nut get special thing wey be say e dey for the inside. They say the thing go yield 160 billion profit yearly. Another thing be say na to start business for Nigeria by government too, and na to continue am, because who knows whether the other government will be saying he go enter, go still manage that thing. This one say despite hardship in Nigeria, petrol price hike, Nigerians enjoying better life under Tinubu. Hey, some people can lie, oh. Some people can lie. Now Ahmed Oluwasanjo, now in they talk this one, he say people they enjoy better life under Tinubu. Where the better life dey? Better life where people never see. As he dey now, my neighbor wey be say dey for house, wetin they do be say he dey before the person dey on gem from morning till night, but now he go on am maybe like 2 to 3 hours he go off am because the price of fuel don dey high. This man say people dey enjoy for Naija. You know say these politicians can't talk anything because for their house they get allowance for everything. They buy them everything wey be say they need. So if it open him mouth talk everything wey be say in one talk, he say people they enjoy now as Tinubu don't enter. Dollar never even come down. This one say corruption, corrupt Nigerian courts, immigration officials help human traffickers act within impunity. They say they don't catch 2 persons wey be say that they traffic human beings. They say that their work and to traffic human beings. They carry them go Kenya, carry them go Saudi Arabia, carry them go wetin they call them, all those places. Maybe they go do a show free work. They say they capture them for Abuja. They say they carry the children passport. Now girls, will be say these people want carry come out for Bodo. Now in the somebody talks say now the immigration officers they help reduce this kind of thing, and some top officials will be say they for government. Meanwhile, that one fit be true because if you remove top officials will be say for government where they commit crime, I go tell you say crime no go there for this world, because now them be the main people where they commit crime. Imagine the past administration duping Nigeria billions of naira. Say they don't buy private plane for Nigeria. Say na the plane where Tinubu go there, where go be Nigerian plane. So they say they catch about how many people, that something people will be say they want traffic them come out outside the country, and now only 2 people they carry these people, they come out outside the country. Only 2 people one carry about that something people. They say they capture that something passport from them, laptop, phone, and so many things. Even US dollar, they will be say they for this people position. Will be say one carry these people come out. Oya, make I carry you go back to that news where say they say police don't arrest man where say in go kill all the Igbo people where be say they dey for Lagos. Wow. You know say MC Oluomo don talk him own that time, talk and finish. You know do am. Then another person come talk again. Make I carry you go for that news. They say Osun Police Command has arrested a man who called for the killings of IGBO'S on social media. Wow. These people eye the red for where the Igbo people dey. Now if you say, if they tell you say Nigeria no be for you, you no go agree. Now Igbo people wey be say they no even wan get sense. They go there, they invest here, buy house there, buy land there. Your papa land there wey be say you go carry the invest. See wetin innocent dey do. Innocent don go Anambra invest. Many people, plenty people wey be say they go for their state, they go they invest. Even if they pursue you, nobody go pursue you for your fatherland. Oya make we carry go. They say Ade Soba, Ade Kunibe. That name hard though. You know, say this name na one kind. They say na Ade Soba, Ade Kusibe. E be like say na in name they make and do wetin. They say the man they be 28 years old. They say had on Monday 18th tweeted, "Let's kill all the Igbos. Let's flush them out of Yoruba land. I hate these people with passion. They are violent people. They are the worst. They hate us. Let's hate them without holding back." Mr. Ade Kusibe or Ade Dunike outburst spark widespread condemnation from Nigerians. On Friday, police spokesperson Olumuyiwa Adejobi shared a statement indicating the arrest of Mr. Ade Kusibe for violating social media policy on hate speech. Nigerians, however, knocked the police for being hypocritical, having looked away when influential person in the ruling All Progressive Congress cast similar ethnic slur against Igbos. This one na the one where we say MC Oluomo talk. That one where we say that they carry out the election, and MC Oluomo talk say if you no one vote for them, say your own na you be your waiting they go do you. And they finish everything where we say them talk because as they talk that thing, they begin the bonbon some shops. Where we say they for Lagos, and it was not clear who were the people burning the shops, but the indication is that as he went through or three are gathered and the mouth of three witnesses, a witness is settled, whereby about 3 to 4 to 5 shops were burned down in Lagos State. We know that one is no more a coincidence, that is a planned action. They say in the heat of the last general election, notable allies of President Bola Tinubu, such as then campaign spokesman Bayo Onanuga and notorious Lagos Motor Park enforcer Malisu MC Oluomo Akinsanya, pushed dangerous ethnic rhetoric saying against the Igbos and sought their exclusion from Lagos politics. Yes, the police failed to intervene. When I don't see he gets one song where China sing that time. They say, rich man go dey yara prayer, poor man go dey shout, Anwalamo, make una lead us well. No let the nation to fall inside well. If you be police us well. If you be senator well. If you be this and well. If you be the police well, no getting crime. They say if poor man commit crime, they no go see rich man commit crime, they no go see him face for crime fighter. But if na poor man, they go see him face for crime fighter. So now wetin dey happen? MC Oluomo na rich man. Poor man don't talk the same thing. They say make they carry and keep. But e good for that man. At least make them use that one, go learn lesson. Say no be anything where we say you go to open your mouth, go to talk to people anyhow. Make I redo this one. They say Soludo they say Soludo import 2 million Malaysian palm oil seedings, coconut, target 160 billion yearly profit. But the thing is, I want to ask, yes, this is a long time investment that will help the state, maybe in his own thinking. But I don't think that these are the only investment that could have been done in Anambra State, because this investment will take like 12 years or even 15 years to mature, or even, okay, let's say a minimum of 8 years to mature. If these palms are agric palms, it depends. It will take years to mature. Now, this money could have been invested into maybe one industry product that from that proceed of the industry, they can now take money and do this. And I thought that Soludo is a wise man who, they say, who was once a central bank governor. But I wonder how he is acting this way at this time. Importing palm, what do they call them? Palm fruit and the rest of them. And you know, we say this thing, they get palm wine where would they like? I don't know whether a Malaysian I'll be waiting to they call them palm fruit. They get palm wine inside. They say this thing go to generate 160 billion revenue per annum. That's every year, but it's gonna be a long-term investment. That money could have been put in something else, and from the proceeds of that thing, they can now start this palm tree plantation that they want to do. Meanwhile, I'll be winding down the curtain here, and if this is your first time where you join us for this wonderful channel, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share, and also remember to on your notification button so that whenever we post news, you go collect them. Thank you for listening. God bless you.